The Agreatby EBike Rack with ramp arrives ready to use, and its foldable body with built-in wheels and handle makes moving and storing it surprisingly easy for such a heavy-duty carrier. A long loading ramp lets you roll heavy electric bikes on and off instead of lifting, which is a huge benefit for riders with large frames or fat tire models. This rack handles a wide mix of bikes, including carbon frame, mountain, and fat tire designs, with generous limits on tire width, wheelbase, and total weight that suit serious e-bike owners. Extended, padded wheel straps and adjustable locking arms keep frames and tires secure without scuffing finishes, while integrated locks add real theft deterrence when you leave the car parked. A foot-operated tilt mechanism allows you to swing the rack away from the vehicle to open the trunk, so you can grab gear without unloading the bikes. Stout carbon steel construction, reinforced nylon components, and an anti-wobble, self-leveling hitch connection give the rack a stable, rattle-free feel even on rougher roads.